Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about Amazon fashion gone wrong because I had a plan to order amazing spring dresses and a lot of them did not work out. I have shoes, we have perfume, some jewelry, some fashion. Of course, a few items really worked out wonderfully. And something that I want to do moving forward when I'm bringing you guys Amazon videos is really test the product thoroughly before throwing it in my storefront. I just want the trust to be built more deeply when I'm talking about Amazon purchases, that you guys know everything that I share in my storefront gets my total check of approval. So be sure, if you want the real tea, to like, subscribe, share the video, and let the algorithm know that we want the truth. I found perfumes that are really nice. We are gonna get there. This is like somehow calming me down. More pheromone oils. These are the greatest to toss in your purse, keep in your car. They're just wonderful. They smell high-end and they make you feel really sexy, and it's just like a swipe on and go, and it's really nice. These are very affordable as well. I wanted to let you guys know I purchased the original. I've been talking about the pink one for a while. You guys know it's by Pure Instinct and it's said to make you more attractive. Your pheromones are going to just like pull everybody more near to you. I also got the Lucky version. This is like a perfect summertime, springtime. This one smells like jasmine. It's so nice. Okay, as usual, everything will be listed and linked below. I am wearing an Amazon top. This is from Pretty Garden, and I actually think this is a redemption moment for them because the dress that I have is like honestly terrible. This is pretty cute. It's really like flouncy. The material is nice. I like it. It wasn't crazy expensive. So this one is check of approval. A+, love her. Oh boy. Offender number one. I saw this on IG being modeled and I got really excited. I was like, I love like the cutout. I love the design. The color is perfect. And that is true. The color on this one is perfection, but the waist is just so weird. It doesn't cinch you in whatsoever. For reference, you guys, I am 5'8", and normally I wear a 26 in jeans. I'm a size small, typically, sometimes a medium, but this one was just giant on me, swallowed me whole. I felt like I was wearing a hospital gown, which is not really what you want when you're thinking like, oh, this would be cute for brunch, or this is great on the weekend. This was $65. Hard pass, we can do so much better. What comes to mind is a linen dress that I got at Target last year, and I kid you not, 1,000 of you bought that dress. Now, I don't make high commission linking to Target. I get pennies. It's not the same as Amazon, which, if I'm being honest, like let's spill the tea right now, a lot of what gets linked on Amazon is very much, I don't want to say people are lying, but there is the incentive. As an influencer, you do make more money when you're linking with Amazon than other places. It just kind of is what it is. But I vow to you all, I will still be the person, whether I'm making a high commission or not. I appreciate when you shop my links, but whether I'm making high commission or not, I want to find high quality things that you guys will love, that I'm really wearing, that I'm not just modeling and twirling around and then never wearing again. Like, I want you to step into my actual wardrobe. And if I'm not going to keep it, I'm not going to recommend it. I'm not keeping this. No. Also, absolutely not. Absolutely not. With this one, I really felt this was giving Veronica Beard. It was reminding me of that kind of a dress. I was like, oh, you have nice detail here with the buttons and then the little tie, the little frilly neckline. It looked so much cuter online. The design in person is really terrible and the fabric is pretty awful. This kind of cinched waist right here, if it's not done well, it just looks very, very cheap in my opinion. This is from a brand called BTFBM. This one is a pass. This brand is actually quite beautiful. This is Jardin View, and the product itself is really well made. I love the straps that you get, this beautiful kind of jewelry design, adjustable straps. The material is nicely lined. It has a nice weight to it. If you are taller, this is a great dress because it has a lot of length. My only issue with this dress is I am very tiny right here. I'm a 32, like my bra size, I'm a 32. So I'm very narrow right here. A lot of things will be too big on me and then it just looks kind of strange. If that was not the case, I would actually say this is worth the money. And this I want to say is $89. Really unique designs, really beautiful, and I'm not mad about it. From the same brand, we're keeping this one. This was $100. This, when I took it out of the package, I was like, $100, yeah, right, like feel the material, it's bad. But then I put it on and I'm like, the color's gorgeous. The detail is gorgeous. So many buttons. There are little rhinestones here that are actually quite sparkly and do not look cheap. You have even on the inside here, the metal closures to not give you so much of a deep V, so you're not hanging out. And then you have these gold buttons here and then buttons all the way down. I cannot wait to wear this on a date night. I think this is stunning, really unique. It's airy and breezy with these like chiffon sleeves. And I just love this one. Now, paired with this dress are a pair of heels that I am obsessed with from Schutz. Schutz the front door. I'm obsessed with this brand and I have been for a minute, you guys. I have not worn these out of the house yet. They still have the tags on. Let's take a look at these gorgeous nude heels. Now, what I like is the detail right here. Like they're a basic nude heel that will go with everything. Now, you can wear this strap two ways. I discovered this on accident. I like it crisscross in the front, but crisscross around the ankle and the back works too. And something that I like about Schutz in general, this is an odd thing that I noticed with their shoes, but it's really flattering on the ankle. Where the strap hits the ankle is quite low, and it gives the illusion that your ankles are smaller. So you're getting the elongated look on the legs because these are a nude heel. It's also giving you this cinch at the ankle that's really flattering. Sometimes when these straps go too high, it's highlighting like the thicker portion of the ankle and it can just look really chunky and off. So this has a very feminine look to it. And then Schutz heels in general have a really nice arch. I just love these. They're leather, well made. They feel like designer, but they're not $1,000. They last, and I cannot say enough, these are such a find. I'm torn, you guys. Tell me what to do with this. The only thing I don't like about this one is that for me, I feel like these straps come in a little bit too close. Like I wish they were a little wider, but I can kind of get past it because I like having little dresses that I can just throw on that didn't cost a ton of money, that if I spill on myself or something happens, I'm not totally devastated. Like I don't feel like I have to fully behave. This one is like, I'm sitting outside reading, I'm by the pool, I'm whatever. And I do like it, but I'm not like doing backflips for it either. This is by Pretty Garden. This one's on sale right now while I film this for $36. So the price is really good. The quality is decent. Now I am comparing everything to high-end designer things. The good news about this is that when I find something that competes, we can all get really excited about it. Like I have some jewelry here that really competes. The bad news is I have that kind of taste where I'm like, this feels scratchy, or oh, I don't like it. And that makes me kind of annoying a little bit, but I do hope it's also helpful. This is $24.99 and call me crazy, but I actually really like this. This is so my speed though. Like I love a weird piece of fashion like this that you can wear just with jeans. I believe it's modeled kind of half tucked in. I like the details on it. The material doesn't feel super cheap. On camera, this is looking crazy and I'm kind of changing my mind. But I really love the buttons. I think it's not bad. This particular brand, ACCPUR, their stuff is a little more eclectic, a little bit on the weird side, which I kind of like. And I wasn't disappointed by this. For $24.99, it has a nice weight to it. It feels really soft. It has stretch to it. And I actually like the stripes and the leopard print. Don't hate me for that. Sexy woman, sexy dress, but I feel like this is too much money. I think I can find better. I was hoping this would be longer. So for my tall girls out there, this one does that annoying thing with maxi dresses where it kind of hits at the ankle. If you were to wear a heel with it, it would just be like the wrong look. If you're shorter, I think this would be like very, very stunning. It is incredibly sexy. It holds you in pretty well because this is double lined. You know, you are getting your money's worth. It's not a flimsy material. You have nice stretch in the back here. This is by the brand The Drop. I'm just thinking for $60. I don't know. I just feel like that's a little much for what it is, but I think I'm gonna keep this just to wear around the house. James sure loves this. I put this on and he was like, oh my God, you look amazing. You look like a goddess. Like, I love it. So when you get the husband reacting that way, you kind of have to keep the dress. And I did pair it with this really cute necklace from Classy Zint. This is cute. This is actually like nice and weighted, great quality. I love this necklace. This is a brand I will reorder from. I've been looking for kind of those hidden gems on Amazon as far as jewelry goes. Really hard to find, but this one was right on the money. It's fantastic and feels quite like Kendra Scott. Like, it has that weight to it, and I really, really love that. I thought it looked really cute with this dress. I have a love-hate with it, but again, I'm gonna wear it around the house because my husband thinks it's so beautiful. I just wish it was a little bit longer and that I hadn't spent $60 on it. This next one, I'm too big-chested for this. Like, I'm falling out of her. Again, James was like, this is the sexiest thing I've ever seen you wear. So this is like more in the realm of lingerie. What's really a bummer is like, oh my gosh, the fantasy would be a dress like this that's nice and long that a tall girl can wear heels with and is so flattering because this is the most flattering cut. But oh my gosh, can we do something about like the chest and maybe get a little more coverage? Like, if that brown dress and this dress had a baby, I'd be buying it in every color, every pattern. I'll keep this just to wear at home. It was $49, not terrible for what you get. The quality of the fabric is not the worst. I sometimes am like, what were you thinking when you were ordering these things? Because this is the most obnoxious color for a blouse. The material feels so cheap. It's just plastic fantastic all the way. There have been some pinstriped shirts in the past that I purchased on Amazon that were wonderful, that were a gorgeous quality that felt really nice. I will try to hunt those down and link those for you, but this one is just, it has that like stretchy, like it's just a weird stretch too. It's a no. It's a no from me. For some reason, I thought these patches on here would actually be cloth patches, but this is just a silk screen and it looks so cheap. I can't even stand it. This one is a no. We got to talk some love. So back to Schutz. These are the cutest, most comfortable shoes I have come across in a long time. I feel like you could wear these with so much. This is very much comfortable, but still sexy. Like, from the front, they look like you're wearing maybe more of a spikier heel, but like you're not. And the chunky heel actually is really cute. You could pair this with anything from shorts to linen trousers to your dresses. Really flattering on the ankle again, just easy to wear, and I will be running around in these nonstop. Dolce Vita. You guys, Dolce Vita is a brand that you spend around $100 on these shoes. They're leather, they're well made. I have a few pairs of Dolce Vita sandals and heels, and they have lasted for years. The quality that you get is through the roof. Now, these are like jewelry for your feet. They are so sexy. They are so comfortable. They go with everything. Literally think like black tank dress, black linen dress, throw these on. You are so sophisticated. Even like baggy jeans, like what I'm wearing right now, this would go well with it. I feel like this is such a way to polish up your look with this gold detail right here. Now, someone DM'd me and said that there's a dupe at Target. So I will try and link that for you guys as well, just for option's sake. But that style that you're seeing everywhere right now, I really love it. I don't know who originated that particular style, but the Dolce Vita pair that I have are high quality. They feel luxury. I have one more pair of shoes that I just have to give a shout out. These are still available, you guys. Not to be gross and like, here are the shoes that I've worn for a year, but these are amazing. They're plastic. But what's great about these is if I'm outside, if I'm watering anything, if I'm by the pool, if water gets on me, it is not a problem. They don't get dirty. They don't look worn in or chewed up whatsoever. And these are the best. They're by Funky Monkey. Let's talk a little jewelry, shall we? Let's start with what I'm wearing. This is the Kiss Yan Diamond Tennis 14K white gold plated cubic zirconia baguette tennis chain chunky. Oh my gosh, the description on this is like a mile long. This is $13.99. You guys, it is nice quality. It's a great layering piece. This is so nice. I am going to be ordering more from this brand. Now, there's another brand that I will not be ordering from again. Just, it wasn't terrible, but it just was not worth the money in my opinion. You get really beautiful packaging. This is a company called Palm Beach. And I was really mesmerized by their rings. You guys know clearly I love a big chunky ring. This one kind of looks crooked. Like I've been staring at this for a while and I'm like, it's kind of crooked. This was $125. I felt like the quality should be more for what you're getting. This one is going back. Palm Beach yellow gold plated stainless steel crystal sun moon star pendant. It's actually 2 separate necklaces. I think I'll keep this one actually. Let's just layer up right while we're here. This is how you get the jewelry. It comes in these little plastic Ziploc-y things, but you do get like a cute little jewelry bag as well. Okay, this is cute. I actually really like this. This would be easy to adjust as well with how the chain is. I think this is cute. $34.99 and you get 2 necklaces. The presentation is really beautiful. And then I did get these little bracelets. They're too big for me. You get 3 bracelets. They feel all right quality-wise, but they're not knocking my socks off. MTMY. I am going to be ordering a lot from this brand because the quality is superb. I am wearing little hoops right now that are beautiful. They are matching my David Yurman ring. You cannot tell what is what. Like you cannot tell that this is cheapy Amazon jewelry. $11.68 for these earrings. They are so cute. I also got this pair right here. I wanted to show you guys how the presentation is. You get a cute little pink box. Everything comes really clean. That is another thing that's kind of worried me about Amazon a little bit. Some of the jewelry that I've ordered in the past arrives and it just looks questionable. Like there's not the right box. It's just loose in like a Ziploc thing and it doesn't feel safe to me for some reason. I always have a habit of cleaning my jewelry before I put anything in my ears anyway. It's making me want to have like a double piercing. I kind of want to go do that, but look how adorable these are. They're like a little lock and the rhinestones on here are beautiful, really sparkly. Really, really nice. I also got these little Huggies for $12.98. These are super cute too. These have little arrows and then you have a rhinestone. This looks more rose gold than the other ones, but all of that to say that this particular brand on Amazon is a smash hit. I will be adding a ton of their stuff to my cart and things to my storefront. Really, really well made and not a lot of money, so that can be done. Now, if you want something super fancy made in France, that will last you a long time. I know this because I've ordered from this brand before. I've worn the pieces to death and you guys always ask, and I have already worn this one in a video. This is from Justine Clenque. I know I'm botching that name up. I am so sorry to the brand, but this one is so different. Their jewelry in general, like their earrings, their necklaces, just the design that goes into this brand. Everything is very unique, statement worthy, but easy to wear. And I really love how you get a box with your little pouch right here. The presentation is beautiful, nothing cheap about it. And I am such a fan. It's heating up back here, oh my God. I wanted to do a little bit of a perfume unboxing as well. While we're here, why not? I got Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted Love. You guys know I love this fragrance so much. I just want to drench myself in this. This one is Dark Vanilla Bean Orchid, White Tea, and Sandalwood. I'm so happy to have this back in my collection. She is so beautiful. And then I also ordered Everything and Nothing, and I thought we would open her up together. Gotta love the presentation. This one is Sweet Orange Pressed Petals, Desert Moss, and Tea Leaves. So this one is more crisp. So freaking fresh. This has such a unique scent to it. This is perfect for spring. If you like something that's a little more crisp and bright, that is not overly floral, this just feels fresh. Like you just stepped out of a shower. You feel just crisp and fresh and clean, but not in your typical cotton laundry scent or floral. It's something different. God, I love that one. So these two are like my favorite scents at the moment. And then of course, I love my little roller balls that I pop in my purse for on the go. And you guys, that is my big, huge Amazon order. I know I didn't do that great, but hopefully this video is informative and valuable to you guys. Also, let me know, what are the brands that are working? I would be so curious to hear from you if you know of Amazon brands that I should order from and try out and share with you guys. I would love to hear what you have to say. And other than that, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. I appreciate you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.